So I installed Better Replay quite recently, and it actually replaced an app which did a similar job, but cost me, I think it was $20 a month. So Better Replay does exactly the same thing. It basically replays recordings of visitors to your site, so you can see exactly what they did or didn't do, and it's free. I cannot believe it's free, to be honest. It's absolutely incredible. And what it does is so important for every Shopify store. Without a doubt, it's the most important app I have. To see what your customers actually do, each customer does on every visit to your store, where they click, where they scroll, is so important to every store owner. It allows you to design the store around how the customers behave, and you've got there's no guesswork. You actually know how your customers behave. Now, the other thing that's been incredibly useful, perhaps the most useful part of this app, is its ability to tell me the quality of traffic I'm getting from any marketing campaign. I wasn't really aware before I used this app how some traffic sources have such low quality of traffic. So a click comes in, for instance, and before I had this app, a click would come in and nothing would happen, and all I would think is, okay, well, they didn't add anything to the cart, they didn't buy anything. But actually, with this app, with Better Replay, I can see actually that a whole load, I would say the majority of clicks that come from a lot of marketing campaigns that I do, I don't even think they're human, because they click, they arrive on the landing page, and then they do nothing. They don't scroll, they don't click on anything. They literally do nothing. And it's really opened my eyes on the quality of traffic from various traffic sources. And this is such an eye opener. It will save me an awful lot of money. And this really, for me, has been the invaluable benefit from having Better Replay. It's incredibly easy. Literally, you install the app, and hey presto, you have access to all your recordings. Each visitor session just appears on a dashboard, and it works. It works every time. I have never had reason to contact customer service. Essentially, what it does is actually very simple. It provides a recording of each session on your website. Clearly, the technology behind is going to be incredibly complex, but none of that complexity is passed on to me, the user. It's a very, very simple user experience. It doesn't require any expertise whatsoever. So all I can say is Better Replay is absolutely fantastic, and every single Shopify store needs it. Okay, I hope this has been useful.